Losing weight can be as simple as adding a spoonful of gelatin to your daily routine. Let me explain. It's astonishing how something so straightforward can have such a profound impact on our overall well-being. The gelatin trick is a game changer, and it's not just about weight loss, it's about waking up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Imagine starting your day with a sense of lightness, as if you've dropped that heavy feeling that's been weighing you down. As I delved into the world of gelatin trick, I discovered that it's all about creating a simple recipe with ingredients you likely have in your kitchen. It's about mixing gelatin with lemon juice and water to create a refreshing drink that not only aids in digestion, but also helps to reduce bloating. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for weeks, swears by its effectiveness, and I've seen the difference it's made in her life. The gelatin trick is a daily ritual that's easy to incorporate into your lifestyle, and it's amazing how it can help you achieve a sense of balance and harmony in your body. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for a detailed recipe and tips. Also, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional resources to help you get started with the gelatin trick.